vMeasure Parcel Ultima Pro, compact, installed at 1.5 meters. This video demonstrates installation, calibration, and dimensioning demo. Let's start with unboxing the package. The package includes the following components: base plate, bottom pole with coupler, arm unit, accessories clamp, touchscreen display, power box, vision head unit, screws and Allen keys. Next, begin installing the device. Position the lower pole base on the mounting plate. Align it with the pre-drilled holes. Insert all 4 bolts. Tighten them in a cross pattern using a 5mm Allen key. Loosen the fixed T-nuts using a 4mm Allen key. Slide them upward until 2 holes are visible. Repeat the same on the back side. Note: make sure both T-nuts are aligned at equal height. Slide the arm unit down the vertical pole along the track. Align the screw holes with the T-nuts inside. Tighten both sides using a 4mm Allen key. Now, insert the rear bracket into the side channel of the horizontal arm. Slide the accessories clamp until it's fully seated. Tighten both screws using a 6mm Allen key. Ensure the clamp is secure and properly aligned. Let's start connecting the touchscreen display. Plug the USB cable, DC display power cable, and then connect the HDMI cable. Hold the display above the accessories clamp. Slide it down into the clamp's support arms. Ensure the screen is upright and properly aligned. Now, connect the power box starting with the DC power cable. Next, connect the USB A to B cable and display touch cable, followed by DC display power cable. Finally, connect the VHU power cable. Place the power box above the touchscreen, facing outward. Slide it into the rear bracket or channel slot. Now's the time to check that the arm height is set to 150 centimeters. Now, position the vision head unit on the horizontal arm. Slide it into the front channel along the mounting track. Move it fully into place. Tighten the screws on both ends using a 4mm Allen key. Open the lid to access the HDMI port. Connect the HDMI cable. Then close the lid securely. Now connect the power cable, USB cable, and Ethernet cable to their respective ports. That completes the installation of the vMeasure Parcel Ultima Pro, compact version at the mount height of 1.5 meters. Now, calibrate the system for accuracy. Enter the default password given by vMeasure team, and tap Login to access the dashboard. Now, on the dashboard, tap Calibration. Select the mode based on your mounting height. Make sure the base plate is clear, then let the system calibrate automatically. Then, the screen will display calibration completed. Let's measure a parcel now. To start measuring, go to the Measure menu on the dashboard. Place a parcel on the base plate, and the system will automatically capture its dimensions, weight, and barcode. Your vMeasure Parcel Ultima Pro, compact is now ready for use. Start dimensioning right away.